Hi there, Dori Sukup here. It is the holiday season. Happy December. We are super excited. There's so much going on this month. I wanted to take the time to wish everybody a great, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all that great, good stuff. And I hope that this year, 2019, was a great year for you, because it sure was for us. I have to say thank you for all your support and your trust in us, because we had a record-breaking year. So excited. And to finish it off properly, I am launching my brand new book, How to Make Millions with Your Medical Spa. So needless to say, it's been a great year for us, and we're so happy and looking forward to a great 2020 with all of you as well. So in this month's newsletter, InSPAration Moment, we have a few things going on I want to tell you about. One is the featured article. I have written a great article for you on how to scale up your business and reach multiple 7 figures for 2020. So make sure you read the featured article or watch it, because I'll be taping it here in just a minute. Also, in the Bright Idea, I'm going to be sharing with you how to plump up your bottom line. And I also did a webinar a couple of days ago about how to gain financial health and increase your profit margins. So make sure you check out that webinar in case you missed it. It was a great event, and in it I show you a path on how to have a healthier business and how to monitor your financials. And then in the Dori Recommends, I'm going to be talking about my new book, and I'm going to share with you where you can go to get it and receive all kinds of bonuses. I'm actually going to send you to Amazon to buy it, but then we have this whole process where you can come back to a private member page and then put in the code of your purchase in there and be able to get a bunch of bonuses. So read the Dori Recommends and see how you can tap into all of those. And then for the special of the month this month, we are doing the financial program, the new program that we're launching. We're doing that as a special, so make sure you check that out. And we have a couple of events that we are hosting and that we are actually speaking at. So check out the dates for all the things that we will be doing also this month. It's our time of the year to wrap things up. We will be closed between the week of Christmas and New Year's for some well-deserved time off. So again, we just want to wish you a great Merry Christmas from all of us, Happy Holidays, and a very, very Happy New Year. And stay tuned for the featured article. Until next time, stay inspired.